No. Oh. Da da.
At least
I do.
the orthodontist appointment is 3:45.
I do.
So.
Okay. There is
I do.
outside changes I'm not taking.
I do. Do you hear Miss Lisa's voice? Yes, we're not going over there. We're bending. And stretching. Oh, now we're doing the hard part. Here come the hamstrings. I know. Remember how much you worked on your hamstrings while you were in your cast? We were so proud of you because you worked on your hamstrings in your cast. I know. Now don't go far. You don't need to do that. You don't do that. No getting away. I know. I'm stretching this leg. You're going. Well, I'm not sure about. Day.
I was gonna
You were doing oh do da day?
Well, I was thinking
Oh do da day.
whenever